Hey there, welcome to our weekly analysis video. Today we are going to talk about gold and GBPJPY. We will check out what's happening and what might happen next. Whether you are new or you are pro, you will find something useful over here. Let's get started. So for a chart on a gold, as you can clearly see that there was a order block or you can say a demand zone over here, which market tapped, and we see a pretty market has already tapped over here two times, and the last one was a NFP, I believe, yeah, which comes on Friday, I believe. After that, we can clearly see the reaction over here. It sweeps the liquidity on a lower time frame. So on a 4 hour, that the demand zone and market then is ranging in the area. It's not broken it, so we might not see a pretty bearish move over here. If it breaks this level, then we can see a downside move over till here around 2220 might we can see a pretty bearish move, but right now if we go on to a lower time frame where we mostly trade, we can clearly see the market has swept the liquidity. One was over here, another one was over here, which market has swept due to the NFP after the NFP which came down on Friday. So yeah, on the previous week we only traded we only traded twice. One was a stop loss which we get hunted, I believe, previously over on Monday, and then after we get a trade on Thursday. And here was the trade. As you can clearly see, we secure 63 pips, and then market comes down and tap this area. Then again it moves around 100 pips, but we were breaking in on that trade. And once we get a profits, then we were out of the trade. Again, didn't take. If anybody was holding that trade, I believe they have secured pretty much around 200. I believe 200 pips they have ordered. That was a pretty much, it was a strong area. We only traded a strong area, that's why we didn't take too many trades a week. We only find the best better area and then we trade it, because it's better to not risk your portfolio. That's why. Okay, so market came and here was the liquidity. There was nothing here on supply and demand, so we never traded. But as you can clearly see that the market comes to a supply area and then it rejects from there and get closed down. The reason we didn't take the trade from this supply zone was due to the news. The news was around here, and there were pretty much of slippage and spreads were going on. So it was better to avoid the market on Friday. So if there was not pretty much a spreads going on, which we were getting, so I believe we should have taken this trade, and it was down to 400. But it was a pretty good trade if we had taken it. But yeah, but we did never take the trade reason was news, so it didn't fear us that we are, or it didn't give us any foam because it was our plan, and if we just go with our plan, so I think there will be nothing happening. And yeah, so right now market is ranging pretty much as you can clearly see on 15 minutes. What's going to happen next week? There are not pretty much that much news as compared to the last week. So we might see market ranging and creating a new higher high and higher low. There's nothing over here of big structure change of character happening. It's just a liquidity sweep on both sides and that. So what's happening if we get a rejection on an upside? So here's another supply zone, which I believe market could tap and we can secure some profits over here on a retracement side. Another area market can pretty much go bullish and we see a bullish side momentum over here. So here another supply zone is marked over here from where we can see a rejection of the market, and after that I believe there must be a supply zone over here, and as you can clearly see it's a breakup structure, and here is a supply zone or order block, whatever you want to say, on 2361. I haven't marked it because I'm looking after the market, and I hope I will analyze if it get over here on Tuesday or Wednesday, probably on the news. And here another because structure happens. So these are the ways we trade it. But right now there's nothing in the market. We are just hoping that market should come to the upside, and we should get some sales over here. But from downside, if you are looking for buys, I believe market has to create some support over here where we can find a good supply demand area, and after that we can trade. Just like the previously, you can see we get a downside move and then we find a change of character, and after that we waited for the change of character over here. Then market should tap this area. It's a basic demand area, and market tap and then it goes upside. But yeah, over here we are just waiting for market to see how the Monday is open and how market react, and after that we will find some good trades. Hopefully this week we will find some good trades, and after that we will trade it. So yeah, this is my analysis about gold. And one thing more, that if we broke this area, 26, 22, 69, 68. I believe we can clearly see a pretty much bearish move over here. The market can fall down and we will find some supply area over there so that we can secure some good partial. So right now market is in ranging area and there's nothing right now in the market, and hope Monday what Monday brings us, we will see that. And let's move to the JPY analysis, which I believe we haven't given any trade for a long time. Reason was the market was pretty bull and bullish, and there was nothing in the market to trade, and it was just it's rejecting every area. So it's better to stay away from the market if it's rejecting area. Let's move to the 4 hour or 1 hour, whatever you want to say. But in a 4 hour, you can clearly see there's a support area over here where market has done. There's a major support area, but I have marked only here because I believe this is a major area where we can see a market coming to a downside and we can clearly see a rejection over here. So yeah, this is the basic support area, and if market reject this area, then I might see a market coming down towards. We can clearly see market coming down towards the downside move over here. This is the area where we can see a market coming down. So yeah, this will be the next area where I can clearly see the market. As this is a support area on a 4 hour, let's move to the 30 minute or 5 minute, whatever, 15 minute, whatever you prefer. So as you can clearly see, market is in pretty bearish move. It's consolidating over here, and then we see a pretty bullish move from here. So I'm hoping market to come to this area and we will find some good buys over here. And how we are going to find some good buys over here? Just give me a second. I'm finding something. Okay. Just give me a second. I'm not getting what I want. Okay, just leave it, and we will go just with the flow. And this is the area from where I'm seeing market, because I believe this is my favorites are not working. Downside panel is not working right now. I don't know the reasons, but just leave it. And this is a place where I'm seeing market to reject, and hopefully as market rejects from this, we can find some good areas for buys. This not sorry, yeah, this is my area for trading. After 30 minutes, you can clearly see this is the area from where I'm looking market to reject, and we can get some good buys over here. And how we can see market rejecting from here is just yeah, okay. Just like it's consolidated, and we can see market forming over here, and then we can clearly see a bullish move. And if we find something over here, we will obviously prefer it to buy, because I believe market is completely bullish. Else, if we find something, if we looking for a bearish move, then we need to find something over downside. If we are going for a bearish move, I believe this will be the much better area for us to look for some bearish momentum. As we can clearly see, the market has rejected this area pretty strong, and after that, market is going in the downside direction. And if market tap this area, I will look after some buys. If market tap this area, I will look after some sells over here. This is my conference for gold and GBPJPY. Let's look after the news. It's according to the UK time. So I believe Monday GBPJPY, both the bank holidays will occur. So I believe there will be nothing happening in the GBPJPY on Monday. So I believe Monday will be quite dead for us. So on Tuesday there's only odd news, and which we don't prefer to trade. So that's why there will be a news of JBP, which is eventually not that much bigger news. It's a small, medium impact. That will not affect us on another euro holiday. Pretty much every last next week there are so many holidays other than US holidays, so we can find something on gold, but on JBPJPY. Okay, we are getting something on Thursday at 12 p.m. We can clearly see there are multiple news on official bank rate monetary, and these are quite bright folders. So I believe we will find something good, and Thursday will be a quite volatile day for us. So we hope we find something. As you can see on USG, we are getting unemployment 30-year bonds. On Friday, it's also impacting G and JDP is coming off. What we can say, pound JDP is coming up. CAD also affect gold sometimes. So you have to look after the CAD also, because it impacts high news impacts the gold. So you have to look after CAD also, and then you are clearly seeing a USG over here. which will also impact. So yeah, this is what I have to say. If you like what you saw, join us on Telegram for more stuff, for more features. Hang out with us on Discord and catch up with us on Instagram. And hey, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Trade Tribe Hub. If you can see the bottom side where you can subscribe to us for more videos like us. Happy trading. Take care. Bye bye.